Hi everybody, this is Bino. About a video or two ago, we made a video called Custom Base Anchor, and on that video, Martin Morales made a comment about if I had a figure eight that I could use a friction knot above the figure eight, and it could be like a secondary locking mechanism. Well, anyways, in that one video, Custom Base Anchor, I was using Adrenaline, and when I had it hard lock on the figure eight, it was kind of running on me. So I figured it would be a good thing to do is give it a test with a friction knot above it. Okay, so I'm gonna reset up the custom sling that I have. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and get it around the tree. All right. So I'll do the same kind of thing. I'll get the beeline through the ring, and I'll get the girth hitch ready. But I think instead of using the fat end on the bottom, I'm going to use a small end. I'm going to do it this way because I want it to be the spine against the trunk. So I'm going to use the fat end. So what I'll do is I'll put the friction hitch up against the trunk, or on the inside of the carabiner. So it, let me get this tight here. Okay, so now I'm gonna make it really tight. Get this girth hitch all ready there. Okay, now it seems better. Let me see. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a butterfly here to lock off the beeline there. Oops, let me do that again. Okay, I got my butterfly here. That'll be my locking, and I can use that for the carabiner too. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll use this 30-inch cord. I'll make a distal on it, and that's going to be the one above. It's going to be the one above the figure eight. See if I can get those lined up here. Oops, made it too. Get those. There it goes. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to put that distal onto the carabiner. It's a little bit lopsided. Let me see. Let me make some. Let me pull the rope a little. Okay. Okay. Get a little bit. Okay, so now I'll get the figure eight, and I'm gonna put the bite toward the trunk. I always do it the wrong way. So I'm gonna get the bite and throw it toward the trunk, so I'll be able to hard lock the figure eight. All right, so this is where I'm gonna get this. Now what I'll do is I'll hard lock this, and I'll throw a bite through the carabiner below it. And on this one, I'm going to do a figure eight on a bite, and I'll just use this as a locking to that butterfly by the French PRUSIK over there. Okay, so I'll put it on here. Okay. So let me go ahead and put my weight on it and see if it works. Okay. Let me grab my gloves real quick. So the last time when we were doing this, I ran a lot with that Adrenaline. So hopefully it's holding my weight. Alrighty. All right, Noah, see if you can lower me down. Cool. Undo that figure 8 on a bite and feed it through. Get rid of the hard lock. Hey, is it holding my weight? Cool, cool. See if you can lower me some. Cool, cool. Bumblebee's attacking you. Let go. Let go. There, it held, huh? Yeah. Good. That was kind of spooky. Cool. All right. Yeah. Okay, well, I think that the friction hitch above the figure 8 really did help a lot. And the last time the adrenaline was really just running, even though I had it hard locked. And having the distal here, it's still a little bit far away, and it was easy to get to. It even made the unlocking part, the hard lock, easier. And even with a figure 8, just through this and locking here, I was thinking that if it were to run, it would hold it in place and it would stop it at some point. So, but I think that it actually worked pretty decent. Never really done this before, kind of an experiment. I do like the way it worked. If I was going to have this figure 8 in there, so when we did the hard lock, and then this was in place, so having that. So then I guess the theory is that if the guy was lowering the climber down and he slipped or something happened to him, that would definitely lock him off, and at least he wouldn't slide to the ground. So kind of a good situation, and I think if you were going to use a figure 8 in an emergency rescue component like this, that would probably be a good way to go. Okay, so in this video we worked on the sling with a figure 8 component and actually a friction hitch as a secondary stopping point. Thanks Martin Morales for that awesome comment. It's actually a real good feature, and I think if I do this again, I'll probably use it. It stopped the adrenaline from moving on me, so that's really cool. Hope you guys like the video. Like and subscribe. Got an Instagram, Bino H Climbing. Check me out. All right, take care. Thanks for watching.